guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing It Takes Poo. No, not It Takes Poo, It Takes Two. Well, say hi to everyone.
Hello everyone.
Take out the trash, buddy.
Hey.
How was your day?
Great. The toaster broke and Rose refused to eat her vegetables.
Oh.
How did it go at the dentist?
The dentist?
Don't tell me you forgot about the dentist appointment.
No, I didn't forget. I thought you were taking her tomorrow.
No, it was today. I'm working tomorrow.
But it's Saturday.
I know. I've got to work overtime.
What, you have to do that every week?
Oh, Cody, I'm not in the mood for this
I
discussion
want
again.
Cody.
Hey, Rose needs both of us, okay?
That's not fair. Using her.
I'm not using her. I'm just stating a fact. Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
Oh, just
Sure,
like
Rose.
that.
Yeah.
Not to spoil anything, but
Babe,
well, now she knows.
isn't any easier.
Let's not tell her.
I want to be that
Let's stay
thick guy.
friends instead. Yes.
So I'll be that one
Let's
with
stay
blue hair
friends
then.
forever. I love you, Cody.
Hey, nah.
I love you too, May.
Hey, nah. Hey, nah. I used to do these with my toys when I was little.
Okay, so who do you want to be?
Him.
I'll be her.
Yeah. Speak. Speak. Speak now.
Hey, honey,
I predicted that.
can I just take Elephant a sec? All right. Rose, honey, you know we love you, right?
Yeah?
And sometimes that means that, we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that, well, Mum and Dad, we've decided to go our separate ways.
Didn't realize this was so heavy.
Look at the little girl.
Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweet.
What's she gonna do with the big fair butt?
That's a cool castle.
I know. Stay there, Mr. Elephant. Good boy. Yeah, get thick and skinny. Secret base. Why does she keep...
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together.
Why are you talking to a book?
Look, it says here, love is work, see? You have to work on it. You can't just give up.
Does she understand?
Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
I just burst out crying.
Oh, she's
Life-
crying.
Life must be hard. She's an only child.
Are her tears going to breathe life into these little dolls?
Yeah, so that's who you play as. If you want to know why I know so much about this game, because I played this game with my friend. It's so funny.
Ah! Oh! Oh! What is this? What is... Oh, help! Hello! Help!
Cody, I'm trying to sleep. Shut up.
Hey, is that you?
Was it actually the mum and dad?
Yeah.
Why'd you look like a blob of clay?
Why You look like a wooden doll.
Freaking out.
Look at that.
What have you done?
What? Why do you always blame me? Huh?
Yes. Why do you always blame him?
Thank you. Oh!
Talking book, obviously.
I'm
the loading
Dr.
thing.
Haki, worldwide
It's Peter Griffin.
bestseller and an expert on love. Your daughter purchased me. She was lucky. I was the last copy because I was selling the best. I've kept millions of couples, and now I will help you two to get together again.
This is definitely a nightmare. I need to wake up.
No! No! Oh, May!
Why did you do that?
May! Oh, you're back!
Oh my God. You can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Book. So, how do you
Oh,
wake
like
up?
arrows.
Cody, May, you're here to fix your relationship.
We just fixed it.
Yeah, we're, divorcing. It's all good.
No! I will help you fix your relationship.
Oh,
Chapter
again.
1!
Not on
Fix
Facebook.
your relationship! Plus, I promise your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain.
Oh,
You two are like
look,
a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowers growing in the grass.
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
Little butterflies floating in the mountains like lovebirds. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Hello?
I'd live with him, to be honest. You can help me get a girlfriend because I'm single Pringle.
How do we get up to her?
So I'm this one here.
The
you're
stairs
this
over
one.
there.
Okay.
But we can't reach them. We're tiny.
Well, let's find a way.
Y,
E.
E.
Hey, May!
Teamwork every day.
Whoa, May, they're alive. What is going on here?
I have no clue. But whatever's going on, we can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
But those fuses? They just ran away. I mean, did you see them on their little fuse legs?
I'll worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
Okay, I'll go for that fuse there.
May, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay. Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Okay,
Okay, one more to
don't
go.
you feel weird? I mean, you're made of wood?
A bit stiff,
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I move.
I hope so.
Cody, will you please focus?
All right.
How do
Let's
we
get those
that?
fuses.
I'll get
Oh,
that one.
why did you do that?
I'll get that one up there, okay?
Why did you do that, Pop Slam?
Freak fella,
B.
huh?
Oh, I don't have B.
Oh, you have to smash this thing. Well, if you know how to play the game, then you can just go up and get it there.
I don't like the sound of that.
Why did you do that?
Me neither.
Jump. Then double jump. So should I get... I'll get the fuse. My fuse.
Okay.
Give me a fuse. Oh, not following it. B, crouch. I need that fuse. I'm the one that's just entered the little like...
Watch your head!
I
It's your
am.
noggin.
I am. Ouch. Back.
Toggles right.
This is just corny TV.
Okay, I'm gonna do the box slam now. Oh, what's this? Is it plug over here?
A sport.
Don't stick a nail in a float! Oh dear.
That was shocking.
Nice. That was shocking.
Donnie.
How did you get over there?
Oh, it's not. Turn the other way.
Let's do this together.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I fall over? No, what?
So then, do we need to do this at the same time?
3,
Hold on.
2,
Jump and
1.
control. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Let's turn the grindstone on. Oh! You can stick to it.
Keep looking at the wrong. Wait, that's good. You're like a master of workshops. So.
What's this? Oh dear. So
Geronimo.
we gotta grab onto that bit.
Yeah.
You go first. Oh,
Wait for me. I'm gonna get
nice. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, it's an AA dash. It's AA.
Oh!
How did you just do?
I just dashed. Oh! And I dashed off it.
Oh, made it. I'll wait for you, Ray.
Oh, maybe that container can help.
What am I doing wrong here?
I'm just gonna get
Ah,
this.
you've got to dash in the air.
Yay. Look at the front moves. I'll get in the container.
Oh, right, I see.
Get in, get in, get in.
We both got to do it.
Over for me. Go. Dash, dash,
Oh.
dash.
Oh, now you can get up.
I
This
know.
fuse.
I know. You have to solve all the puzzles. All I can say is this was a short fuse.
Whoa! I think this power's up for Thor.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Nice, there goes the power. Just gonna switch on the saw. See? Oh, nice.
Help!
Whoa! Whoa!
Got it.
Nice. Cool.
Wow.
Right.
Hey, May, did you
That's
see my
cool.
flip? Let's do it again.
Oh, we're not here to do flips.
Oh no, you're right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in.
You can get this one.
I think we both need it for this.
Tell me to the sunlight.
Perfect.
We've done it.
Let's go.
Oh. You did us up one.
That's disrespect.
What just happened?
Oh, those damn fuses. Oh,
May, there she is. Rose!
Rose, darling.
Hello! Not you again.
Oh, move out of the way, you stupid book.
Yeah, get out of the way. I need to go and talk to my daughter. Just
Your daughter? Oh, you talk like you own her. Ask yourself, can you really own the people you love?
you just let us through. Come on.
I will. But first, there's someone I want you to meet. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Ta-da! Oh, what the?
Oh my goodness. A boss already.
Why do I recognize your voice?
Me? Oh, what? No. we've never met. Sorry.
Looks a bit like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, yeah.
Because it is your vacuum cleaner. Yo, vacuum, ¿qué pasa? You know who this guy is? Let me tell you, this is Cody. You know, the guy who suck up all kinds of
Stop.
in your stomach.
Oh, no, that's,
That's you! You ruined my bowels with all that.
Stop.
What? I was just sucking up dust. That was it. Just.
Yeah.
That's
Get there.
disgusting. Oh, look, there it is.
You call that dust?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, some of it's.
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me!
thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here!
Yep.
Go, go, go. Can't resist going go, go, go. See? I have to get to him first.
You wanna get back to Rose?
Yes.
You wanna talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together.
Oh, come on.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a
Like how
successful
anyone wanted to collaborate with the shot himself in
relationship.
foot.
Huh? Collaboration. You understand? Now, I see you later.
tell what he
Hasta la vista.
speaks.
Good luck.
Bye-bye now.
Do you know what language he
Crazy book.
speaks?
Speaking English,
This
but
would
with
never
like a
have happened if you
Spanish or
hadn't broken
Mexican
it.
accent.
Yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh?
I like how they
Maybe we're
made Cody's hair.
stuck here forever.
Forever? No way.
Yeah,
We're
no.
getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting
Yeah.
a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay.
Exactly. Look at that
Let's
bug.
climb that damn
Oh,
vacuum
yeah.
cleaner.
Yeah, just follow me. I think I remember the way.
I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
He said Rose bought him.
He doesn't sound like a book she would buy.
Don't touch that.
Oh,
I just remembered you can't touch that.
Pretentious self-help you'd buy.
You know, self-help books are very important to some people, okay?
Forget about the book.
what's this? Oh, you
Let's get
actually
to Rose.
going? Did you just go in there?
Yeah, you have to.
No.
I just hit myself. Wrong one. Wrong one.
Oh, oh dear. Oh, I see.
Wrong one.
I think you tell me after I've already done the thing.
Wait. Well, it takes two. So maybe you stay over there. I'll just go into the interesting room. So. There has to be something we can do. Over there!
Where?
Obviously, just follow me. No, you can't go this way.
Not this one. Can we try
Right.
not this?
No, you can't.
Nope.
That's not gonna buff you. Yeah, no, stay where you are.
Oh, look, we can move this hose.
Okay,
Ah.
move it up, move it
Ruby,
up.
get inside!
Get inside and then...
Please be gentle.
Should I move up?
No, no. Oh,
Yeah.
come and try again.
I'll make it move up. I got this.
Oh, you want to do this bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
May, jump inside the hose.
Try not to drop me!
I press the button.
Okay. Is it a butt slam?
Yeah.
Oh, let's turn the direction on it.
Yep, let's go. Through. Thump. Hit my nose. It said
Here,
ow, ow,
huh?
the nose. Oh no, did you just see that?
No, what?
The thing just popped up there. Like, just there.
Oh, I see one like a spider or something.
Oh, there's a bug. It's a bug. It's a bug. It's got like legit antennas. Oh, I forgot what X is. I still made it. Helicopter, helicopter.
Oh, wrong button.
You butt slammed. I didn't know
No.
a woman's gut could be so. Sorry. Ah! Look at me.
Okay, let's try again.
Look at me. Ah, big boo.
Okay, where do we go now?
Up over. Made it. Nice.
Okay.
Okay. I'll stare it.
Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, hold on, there's a... They're both blowing. Oh no, that end's sucking. I think you need to lift up the end I'm at, and I'll go up to that red button and butt slam it. Or do you want to go up and butt slam the
I'll
red
go up
button?
and butt slam it.
Okay, then you need to go back to the other end of the hose.
This one's sucking. Oh, that part. Okay. Grayson, my friend, has to see those things. Well, these look like I don't want Grayson.
Ready?
I call him that because he's such a good friend.
Okay, so that's reverse the
Current has
direction.
reversed!
You know, you can slam that button. You can slam that button too.
There is no button to slam on?
Yeah, there is. There, did you see on my screen?
Okay, you hold it up. Tell me when to go.
In. Sorry.
You
Oh,
want to
dear.
try aiming?
Yeah, fair one.
These are just men.
Okay, ready?
What is that?
Oh, my brain is my blood. Oh, it's also not my blood, my belly.
Whoa,
That was kind of fun.
this is
actually.
cool.
Okay.
After
bad.
you.
Don't let go.
So like then you hold it.
Oh, I think I can hold it from the side. Oh, hold on.
Because it's a puzzle to me.
And I need to make this stop. I
Yeah.
need to do these connections.
You can do both ones.
Okay, so let's do that. Oh, hold on, if I move this, okay, that stops spinning. You can come through now.
What am I doing now? Okay, so I'll grab this one here. No, I'll press the button.
Ah, okay, so you need to get that one, I think. Then I'll press the button, then I'll go grab the middle one. And then once the electricity's passed, you need to go and grab this one.
No, how about you go grab that one?
Which one?
That one over there. So you grab
Because-
these two. Because you're closer to them.
But I don't think I'll be able to do it quick enough. I need you to hold, you do that one. Okay, hold it. Ready? Okay, now go do the other one. Quickly.
Yes!
Nice.
It took me and my friends so many
Totally
tries
worth
to
the
do
delay.
this. So I'm gonna use it. On goes.
Oh, where do we need to go?
Back in here. See, look how fun this game is.
This is cool, all these funnels.
This is why whenever I came back from the friend that told me about this and played it, this is when I could stop Pokemon. I mean,
Good wall jumping, Mario style.
oh, it's crouch. Through the little like wires. Probably won't do this right here.
Where do you go now?
Through there. I'm crouching through there.
Oh, I see.
One sec, guys.
This looks dangerous.
Just time your jumps.
Okay, so I guess I've got to jump on these.
There's like motion.
Oh, I almost missed it. Okay, I think we need to get off over here.
Oh! Here's the vacuumer. Okay.
Oh, do I need to do something here? Do I need to stand on one of these and then you put me over the
Yeah,
other
just jump on
side?
them.
Okay.
You jump on
Do
the
I stick to
shoe.
them?
Yeah, you stick to them.
Oops.
You jump between this.
There we go. Yeah, okay. And you do the spin here to go up the jumping.
All right, give it a whirl.
Made it.
Okay, what happens now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, okay, so, oh my goodness.
Vacuum's right up there.
We made it over.
Yeah, let's keep moving. We're getting closer to the top.
Okay, I'll have a go.
Yeah, make it all go on one side.
Oh! Oops.
No, try and make it all on one side. I can make this
Don't
work.
use that double jump.
Come on, man! Get yourself together. You're a man. Men are tough. Well, not this one. This one's made of clay. So.
I'll wait here for you. Anytime today.
Oh, like, oh, you got it over.
How many attempts would it take?
Probably.
Use your double jump.
You said don't use a double.
No, it's not going to do it. Do use it. Don't forget about it. Nice one.
Okay, so. Okay, that one's pushing up, so you jump on. No, so you jump. In there. I'll tell you when to jump on and when not. Round there.
Oh, I see. Are you going to change it?
Jump. Okay, now move over to the next one quickly.
Oh, nice.
Now move over to the next one quickly. Made it.
Nice. Do I have to do the same thing for you now?
Yeah.
Okay. Jump in. I'm going to change it in 3, 2, 1, no. 3, 2, 1, no.
That was just cool. Ooh,
Okay, what do we
lily
do now,
pads.
audience?
I'm not risking to find out. This house family must be rich. I mean, look at all this
Is
electricity.
this a fire hazard?
Why are men scared about fire hazards? I don't really care about fire hazards. So you just get it called the ambulance. No, not the ambulance. Aim up, aim up, aim up.
Oh, I
Really?
see.
So,
Yeah, aiming.
Thump. Thump. Butt cheeks. Right, so I can do that.
Ah, cool.
Then I can go through there with these. Oh, I'm just so close to the vacuum.
Oh, where's the turn?
But
You turn it off.
to turn it off. I actually don't remember. Vacuum. So we don't have a little daughter just on my bench. I wonder how she didn't notice the vacuum that was just talking and spat out a bunch of grossness. Oh.
Why is he always complaining about his nose?
His nose is made of clay. And what happens if clay gets squished? See, did you just see the vacuum?
Yeah.
That was a little too much.
I feel dead.
Okay, the other one. Oh! Oh, okay.
Can we try again?
Oh,
I'll have a go.
oh, it's sucking.
Ah, I need to change it when you're in the middle.
No, I'll do this one. You can
Okay.
just-
When I say no, I change it. Now. Nice one. Find coding. Huh?
That's so we
Ah,
know.
okay, so I'm going to blow this, I think. Ah, okay. There's one with a platform on it. Can you get on it? Okay, make sure you're lying. Are you crouching?
Yep.
Good man.
It takes you.
Nice. It does take two.
I'll aim.
Do I need to butt slam this?
Yeah.
Oh, before you aim, I think I need to be on this to go up high, and then do you need to run over and aim it? Come on, come on.
That
Okay, now I can do something with this. Get user. Okay, that's electricity's coming over the game. Okay, yeah, you can go in that end. Where are you going to end up? Funnel. And I can go in this one.
Hey, get down here, vacuum.
You have to feed it stuff.
Oh yeah.
Ah, I think we can use some of this dust and other stuff.
Okay, is that me done?
No, there's more. More coming, more coming!
Oh, okay. Oh, he's getting laid down.
Get off, get off, get off.
Hey, can you get across now? Is that what you have to do? And I think I need a hand pushing this thing.
Oh, I'm gonna pull my back.
Talk about dead weight!
Oh no.
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot in here!
You look fine.
Now you will both die!
It's got his bad luck hard on it.
I can still fix you. I can make you work again.
No more lies!
Oh, no. She's right. She's an engineer. A really good one. You are. You're very good. Ha! Hey, vacuum. Are you really gonna believe that, huh? Because I would not.
Don't listen to him. Once I get my real body back, I can fix you.
Oh, is that so? Then why did you buy the expensive Turbo X2000, huh?
Hey!
What? You've replaced me with the Turbo X2000? A pretentious French vacuum who can't even suck properly? I'll show you who's the best sucker!
Hey yo!
That's what she said.
Michael!
Oh, okay. I'm out of here. See you later. Good luck. Come on.
We're gonna have to fight this thing.
Yep. How big its health is?
What do we do?
Take a big cracker!
This vacuum is insane!
Told you about it? I think you have to like suck some. Like you have to.
Oh right, I can be in.
You have to.
Can you put anything in there?
No, you have to suck it all in.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Ow.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to suck it in this time?
No.
Are you aiming?
Go away.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Stop that burns!
How do you like that?
Okay, more attacks. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Loads of attacks.
We played a song to me and my friend played Chug Chug to I don't see what fire blanket.
Ready?
Suck it all up.
I need to try and make it. Oh! So I can. Oh my, what's this?
That doesn't sound good.
Some really bad stuff. Well, I know he's not there.
I need to try and get him to pick these things here. Oh no!
Come back alive.
Okay. We missed. We didn't get the damage in. Oh dear.
Raining garbage.
You never done this enough.
Nothing there!
Suck on this!
Hey yo! This
You
guy
ready?
is like one of my
You ready?
friends. He's really good because he's doing it. This is gonna be local.
Feel my suction!
Staying alive, staying alive.
about halfway done.
I have more than just for you.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Suck, 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 suck.
You're gonna regret coming.
My line.
Look out.
Stay low, stay low.
Just like
Half health.
stay broken. I don't want this junk in there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Get ready because it's going to start sucking junk straight away.
Yay!
Is he done?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to grab these
Hey.
arms.
He stopped.
Yeah. Time to finish this.
Where are you taking those?
Look, watch one. Watch
We're
one.
putting it in his eyes.
Jose! Do you think this is too
Eight.
much?
Kind of. They tried to kill us.
Oh my goodness.
That bit is just disturbing as opposite of heavy. I'm not allowed to say it, but
Damn vacuum. Come on.
exactly.
We have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.
Just remember on this side.
Where are we?
You should know. You would use
Okay,
this place.
guys, not really bad news. You can cry though. I have to go, so I'm gonna go in the tunnel of shame. Bye.
Twisted
Okay.
version of
Maybe I didn't
reality.
go.